So now I connected my electric bulb to my circuit, as you can see. Here are my 2 pins where I connected my bulb. Here is my transformer from where I am getting 12 volt for my circuit, and I am going to switch on the AC supply. You can see the bulb is glowing, and this is our remote, and here it is. We are switching on and off our bulb with this remote, wireless remote. You can see on, off, on, off. This is operated on RF, so you can even switch it on if it is in another room, and its range is in about 400 meters. Wherever you can take this remote. There are no wires connected across it. Here is the remote. It is the RF transmitter. This is the decoder IC, and here are the switches. That's all. Thanks for watching.